Those interested in Shiba Inu or who own Shib tokens should not miss this video because of the current volatility of the crypto market and the possibility of huge developments for Shiba Inu in the near future. So, what's the most recent news about Shiba Inu coin and how will it impact their value? Today, I'll be addressing all of your questions and sharing all the new information that has just surfaced regarding Shiba Inu in my video. I want you to know that I have invested a lot of time and effort on this video so that you won't miss a thing. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Before we get into the meat of the matter, however, how about we check over the Shiba price chart for November 9th? Today, one Shiba Inu unit costs roughly 1910 units, and with a trading volume of $653 million, the price of Shib has fallen 0.8% in the last 24 hours. With a market worth of nearly $11.4 billion, the token is now the 14th most valuable cryptocurrency. Note that these prices may have changed by the time you see the video. Additionally, please note that this information does not constitute financial advice. We may begin today's video now. Why is the price lagging behind the Shib burn rate, which has exploded by 941%? Despite a 941% spike in weekly Shib burns, Shiba Inu's aggressive token burning program has had no impact on the price. A total of 322 million tokens, with a value of $5,933,000, were delivered to null addresses on the blockchain within the last 7 days. Rate of burn for Shiba Inu during hot streaks. As the price of Shib struggles to maintain its position above the crucial support level of 1,900 units, the recent hot streak has continued, with 6 million tokens burnt in the last 24 hours. At this pricing point, 54% of custodians make a profit. If burns don't give the Shiba Inu price enough of a lift, it might totally retrace its bull run from September to 2,135 units. The use of Shibarium Layer 2, the primary blockchain of Shib, is very important for Shiba Inu burn rates. The goal is to slowly deplete the supply of Shiba Inu by routinely exchanging a significant portion of the $250 million in transaction fees from the gas coin Bon Shiba exchanged back into Shib and burning it. The impact on Shib price movements regaining the monthly highs of 2,136 units may depend on Shib's increasing trading activity on Shibarium L2. On October 19, 2024, the Shib Army's blockchain processed 242.89 transactions per day, as revealed by the Blockchain Explorer Shibarium scan. This measure showed another 242.89 transactions yesterday, which may be perceived as unusual given that Shibarium's activity has been below 10,000 every day for the most of this month. The most active locations are located in the price range of 1,800 to 2,000 units, thus any declines in value in this area might affect the Shiba Inu market. At 1937 units, there is a seeded Shib transaction involving number 15. In contrast, the amount of futures trades using Shiba Inu coin increased by 24%. The most recent 24-hour period had a 0.89 long versus short ratio, which indicates that short sellers outsourced the long buyers according to leveraged trading activity. For what reason is this significant? People in the community are more likely to help cut supplies if they have faith in the arguments that provide their cause an advantage. It would mean the world to me if you could hit that like button if you're still here. With no out-of-pocket expense, you can show your support for the channel. But stay tuned for more Shiba Inu news and updates, as well as predictions for the future of the Shiba Inu coin. The Shiba Inu pricing is showing 3 positive indicators. Wonderful news for those who are bullish on Shib. September was a banner month for the second biggest meme currency, with a 30% price gain. Although there was a little loss today, there are a number of critical elements that might cause the rise to continue in the near future. The return of Shibarium, a Layer 2 scaling solution developed by Shiba Inu, is one such positive indication. 2 days ago, the number of daily transactions on the network reached 242,000, and only 2 days ago, it jumped to 324,000. Such high numbers were last seen in April of this year. Other metrics related to Shibarium, such as the number of active and new accounts, have also recently skyrocketed. The protocol's comeback suggests that users are becoming more involved and that the network is becoming more useful. Potential backers of the ecosystem may see this as an endorsement, leading to an influx of new funds. The Shiba Inu's fire system is up next. According to the data, 6.3 million tokens have been burned, an increase of about 400% in the last 24 hours. The program's objective is to decrease the amount of SHIB in circulation, which might make it more valuable if demand stays the same or increases. More than 41.07 trillion tokens have been delivered to a null address, bringing the total supply of tokens in circulation to over 583 trillion. Thirdly, the meme coin sector has been leading the charge for increases recently, which is an optimistic indicator. Not only has Dogecoin soared by about 30% in the last week, but both Bonk and Floki Inu have additionally observed substantial price gains during that time. It should be noted that today's rockstar is Cat in a Dog's World, which soared by double digits and to a new record high of around 1 penny. The largest cryptocurrency exchange in South Korea, Abit, had just launched trading services with the asset when this occurred. Everything isn't sunshine and flowers. There is one negative indicator that suggests the Shiba Inu price might be heading for a correction, even if the market is generally positive. This is the net flow of the Shib exchange, which has been mostly positive over the last several days according to CryptoQuant. An rise in the immediate selling pressure is caused by the development that implies an increasing number of investors may have shifted from self-custody techniques to centralized platforms. The meat of today's video is about to begin. Expect a Shiba Inu golden cross in the next 10 days or in 2025 at the latest. The Shiba Inu might form a golden cross in the following 100 days, which is usually seen as a positive indication on traditional financial markets. A technical structure known as a cross of shorter-term and longer-term moving averages is sometimes associated with the beginning of a significant rise. It seems that the importance of this event for Shiba Inu is more dim than light. Even if the Golden Cross has an exciting history, traders and investors should not let it get them too excited. Now that we're in December of 2023, the Golden Cross is halfway through the year. 3. The last time a Shiba Inu saw a Golden Cross was _____________. Despite initial speculation to the contrary, this signal did not trigger a meteoric rise in the price of SHIB. Many were disappointed that SHIB's price did not surge immediately after the Golden Cross. Even while the asset eventually gained pace, there was a brief period when it lost steam, and the Golden Cross had no role in it. In view of this precedence, it is essential to maintain reasonable expectations. While a Golden Cross is sometimes seen as a positive indication, it does not always suggest that the currency is going to increase rapidly or even steadily, especially for little currencies like SHIB. The token may potentially see further regression despite the potential creation of the Golden Cross. It has been declining in value over the last year. More important than this technical formation will likely be the broader market circumstances and the enthusiasm created by the SHIB community in determining the future price trajectory of the firm. If the Golden Cross comes to fruition, it may signal a longer-term recovery. However, when exactly that will occur is uncertain. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.